Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better on today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Turns. No. You know, that was a soap opera back in the day. This is still on? I don't know. It's been like, things been out for like 30 years or something. Anyway, as the world turned. No, I think that's off now. I didn't like that one anyway. Okay, we are unboxing Bulu 2019 April box. They have three versions. They have an original version, a weight loss version, and burn version. So the original and the weight loss are both $10 a month each, depending on which one you choose. And of course, if you buy the 3 months, it goes down to $9, I believe. And if you do 6 months, it goes down to $8 a month. I will link the information down below so you can check it out. If you get the burn blend, you get 5 to 6 samples, which the other 2 boxes have, plus a bottle of their burn supplement. I've got like hair on my face. Okay, so we're gonna open this up because I can't remember if I got the weight loss one or the original one. So let's dig in. I've already sliced it. So this is what it looks like when we open up the box, tissue paper, and then our items. So let's get started. It says, woohoo! Before sampling, get more info at bulubox.com/mybox. So it says never stop exploring. There it is there. And I might have gotten the weight loss one. Yeah, I think so. Because what do we have here? We have clean caffeine, energize anything, pure lift. So these are energy stir sticks, all natural orange flavor and original. Scratch here for a chance to win. And then their Snapchat code, 0 calories, all natural, nothing artificial, easy to use, made in USA. Oh damn it, I wanted some artificial vanilla in here. Anyway, that's a side joke. But anyway, they have different flavors: mixed berry, original, lemon, lime, and orange. These remind me of pixie sticks, so that's what they look like, the sticks. And then that's their card. Here's their Snapchat, and there's that card. So I'm gonna try these out. See what it says: green coffee bean extract. I'm gonna try these out. Let's see what they taste like. The next item we have is a Gold Bar. It's 12 grams of protein. 12 grams of milk protein, 10 cashews, 2 dates, chocolate, sea salt. Ooh, chocolate. Chocolate. That's the bar there. Oh, it's kind of squishy. I don't like squishy like bars. I like crunch. This feels like, see how it is. And the next item we have here is called Hydrant. Hydrant? Like a hydrant? Oh, well. Use after drinking, sweating, or the flu. Oh, so I'm saying it's a hangover gear pretty much. A lime hydration mix. Kind of like drinking, sweating, like really? Can you see that? I can't see my screen, my monitor because I don't have my glasses on. But it's cane sugar, lime juice powder, sodium citric acid, potassium, salt, blah, 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 all this stuff. So good hydration there. Kind of wanting some now. Oh, we have instant oatmeal. Oh yeah, apple pie with ancient grains. And I don't know how to pronounce this word. If anybody can tell me somehow, tell me in comments down below. Is it quinoa or quinoa or what? Chia, amaranth. So that's the oatmeal. Yeah, I think this is a weight loss. So it says 5 to 6 samples. This is a big box. There's a lot of samples in here. The next thing we have are 3 tea bags, and this is for moringa. Moringa organic tea. I had to just say it like that. It just sounds funny. So we'll try this out. This is té de moringa con sabor chocolate. I think it's supposed to be like a diet supplement, but that's the 3 there. And then the next thing we have is what is this? Protein Warrior Blend, Sun Warrior. I think I got 2 last time, chocolate and vanilla. Vanilla. And this one is mocha. So 16 grams of protein, 4 grams of BCAAs, and MCTs. There it is. That's what it looks like, the bag. The ingredients in the back. You can see that. So Can't wait to try that. And then last but not least, yes, it's the last thing, right? Yes, what do we have? We have two things here. We have the Genuine Healthy Coffee and Tea. Using a Keurig coffee maker. And don't have a Keurig coffee maker, following the instructions below to make a makeshift coffee tea bag. Oh, cool. All right. I know that if you open up the coffee pods for the Keurig, because I know sometimes mine don't work because it's not made for they're made for other machines and not the Keurig. When you open it up, there's a bag in there like a filter. So you would take the plastic part out and you can dip that in your water, hot water. But leave the top on. So leave this top part on, but try to cut the plastic around it without cutting the bag, and you have like a tea bag. So this is called Genuine Healthy Weight Coffee. Ooh, I need that. Powerful fat breakdown and gut health probiotics, organic, I can't say this word. Arabica, Latin American blend, stone ground coffee, low acid, non-GMO. So we get 4 single pods. Oh, that's awesome because I love me some coffee. So that's what the box looks like. And then I will show you that part there. Those are the ingredients. I can't wait to try this in the morning, but I'll show you here. I don't know if you can stop and read that. And it tells you how to use it as a tea bag. And so it's K-cup. So I do have a Keurig, so I'll be popping that in tomorrow morning. And then 25% off your online purchase using code BuluPide19. But they expired. What? What's today? The 19th. And I just got this box. Well, hopefully they'll honor the coupon. Certified Piedmontese. Not that I'd probably order, but probably real expensive, but there's the code and it's expired, but hopefully it still works. So you could try it, see if it works, and if you want to try some carne, there it is. And that's everything that came in this box. So again, we got some coffee pods, and this is a $10 box. So do you think it was worth it? I think it was worth it. I got a lot of products I'm willing to try, like the coffee pods. I love coffee. Moringa tea. I think moringa has a weird taste, so I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's chocolate. Well, maybe it's chocolate, so it might be really good. So try that out. We got 3 of those. And then we got some oatmeal. We get the hydrant, so it's like Gatorade. We got this like soft bar. It kind of feels like a brownie from Little Debbie's. That's what it feels like. We got that. And then we got these caffeine powder thingies. It kind of remind me of pixie sticks. And that's everything we got in the box. So let me know down below, what do you think of the box? Is something you would get? It's $10 a month. I mean, and there's items in there that you can try, and if you don't like, you give them away, and if you know, it's $10. So don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that subscribe, and hit the bell that pops up when you hit subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. And that's it, and that's the box. So I will link everything down below if you want to go ahead and give that a try, and I will talk to you on the next one. Hasta later.